This is a series of short videos just with specific Qigong forms. Some of them you'll see in Tai Chi as well. And just for a few minutes each time, just seeing if you can start and practice in your own time. So the first one we're going to do is called Repulse the Monkey. Turn your palms up. Try not to lift up your shoulders. Just arms are heavy. And then we rotate our thumbs wide. And palms are turned up towards the sky or towards the heavens. And see if you can take a moment to just feel the energy from the middle of the palm. This is your Lao Gun point. So if you curl your longest finger in, it's the point where that finger meets in the middle of your palm, your Lao Gun. It's like a drawing chi from the earth, from the sky. So just bring your attention to that point. Feel open in the hands. So repulse the monkey. The monkey is, of course, our busy mind always telling us we need more than we have. And repulsing it just means allowing those thoughts to pass. So we're going to start. Now, most people, when they do this form, they tend to be lifting arms and doing something that looks a bit like a freestyle. But instead of that, what I want you to do is keep your hands heavy, arms heavy, shoulder blades heavy down the back of the spine, and just focus on the balls of the feet. And we want this kind of heavy feeling underneath the feet. And we're just going to start with the hip and the shoulder. So these 2 points being aligned. And just roll back until you feel one of them stop. So it'll most likely be your hip. Wherever the hip stops, so we're not twisting the spine, wherever the hip stops, we're going to draw the hand in towards the ear, bring it to the heart, and then from the heart, we're going to extend out this feeling of open energy, extending away from the body. Now, when this hand is on top of our other hand, our yang hand and our yin hand, we're going to switch. And now our other hip here is going to roll back. Hand is going to come in, picking up restless thoughts around your ear, arriving at your heart, and then extending out. So your hands will always have this kind of yin-yang relationship. When one is turned down, the other is turned up. All right, let's see how we go with Repulse the Monkey. When you're ready, roll back the hip and shoulder. When it can't move anymore, draw in, gathering up restless thoughts, pushing out. And start to feel this fluidity in your hips. So never getting to the end, never stopping. If you have lifted your elbows and your shoulders and you're doing that freestyle type movement, just notice that energy of always bringing whole body tension up towards the mind, this busyness of our mind solving problems all day. Everything that is yang becomes yin. Everything that is yin becomes yang. Just allow the ups and downs of life. You might find this to be a kind of exercise of yielding and allowing. Always things that we'd like to happen that don't happen. Always things we don't want to happen that do happen. So just finding this sense of just letting everything pass. Can you find this harmony between hip and shoulder? Notice that hip stops moving, shoulder stops moving. Gathering in, releasing. Gathering in, breathing in, releasing, sighing out. So you might have your attention underneath the balls of the feet, maybe on the crown of your head, your Bach-Wei point, lifting towards the sky, the heavens, back of the neck long, spine straight. And we'll bring our palms back onto the belly. Just allow heart rate to slow, blood pressure to drop. Might even invite a little cheeky smile onto the face, just letting go of any of that busyness, problem-solving mind energy. Deep sigh, just releasing any tightness, any tension, inviting in healing chi.